Jason. My teammates are Lee Singh and Kevin. So my part for this assignment is doing the calculation part. So we choose the first come first serve. So I take the question from the tutorial 5 in the numbers. So here is the question. So now I'll show you how to do the first come first serve calculation. So first we have to do the Gantt chart as madam told. Okay, just a normal Gantt chart. This is called the Gantt chart. Okay, every process must start with 0, so I put 0 here. Before it I have to put some small table here as madam told. So P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, burst time, arrival time. That's all. Burst time and arrival time. This is the first come first serve, so we just focus on the arrival time. So P1 burst time is 6, arrival time is 2, P2 9, 2, 7, 0, P4 3, 5, P5 4 and 6. Okay, this is the small table. So this is the first come first serve, so I just focus on the arrival time. So the first process come here is P3 because it's arrived in 0 millisecond. So P3, put the small line here, and 7, it's finished in 7. P3 process is done, and the second is P2 or P1 because both is the arrival time is 2. So for in this case I have to see the priority lah. So as shown in the laptop here, the priority for the P1 is 3, P2 is 4. The lower the priority, so it is we have to put that first. So second process is P1. So P1 is the second process. P1 finish at 6. So 7 plus 6 is equals to 13. And then the third process should be P2 because priority is number 4, right? So P2, 13 plus 9, 22. And the fourth process is P4. P4 plus 3, right? Because the burst time is 3, so 25. And the last but not least, the fifth process is P5. The burst time is 4. P5, the burst time 25 plus 4, 29. So the question is finished. Now I have to do the waiting time for each process. So going to do this now. This is how to find the average waiting time. Average waiting time. Okay. First, 0 minus 0 for P1. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. P2, as I said here, P2, right? For the P2, 7 minus for the P1. Sorry, I'm a little bit confused here. Okay, never mind. P3, P4, P5. Okay, P2 13 minus the arrival time is 2 equals to 11. For P3, arrival time is 0. P3 arrival time is 0 minus 0 equals to 0. And P4 22, arrival time is 5. 22 minus 5 is equals to 17. And P5 is 25 minus with 6. 25 minus with 6, 19. And P1, 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So I have to recheck first. P1 7, okay, arrival time is 2. P2 13 minus 2. P3 0 minus 0, okay, P4 22 minus 5, okay, P5 25 minus 6, okay, this is the waiting time. So we have to find the average waiting time. We have to find, first we have to find the waiting time. Now we have to find the average waiting time. Waiting time is very simple. Average waiting time, just pass all these and divide by the process in the question. So here I have P1 2 3 4 5 processes, so just do like this, okay. 5 plus 11 plus 0 plus 17 plus 19, divide by 5. So 5 plus 11 plus 0 plus 17 plus 19, divide by 5. 10.4 millisecond. Okay, madam, and this is how first come first serve have to done. So this is the way to get full mark lah, as madam told. This is the how we have to do for the first come first serve calculation. Thank you. Bye.